Hey guys, this is your instructional video for the Map Skills Worksheet on 1019. You'll go to your tab in this week's feed called Map Skills Worksheet for 1019. This is a picture. You cannot type on this. I cannot stress this enough. You cannot open it as a PDF either because your Chromebooks, I don't believe, will open up a PDF. So if you can't see it, you hit the plus at the bottom and you can see it a lot better. It'll zoom in for you. So here's your legend with the symbols of what everything is. Dog zone's green, the lake is blue, the triangles are camping, the playground is these trapezoid type things. Your compass rose is right here, north, south, east, west. Okay, you cannot type on this. This is just to look at. What you will need to do is you will need to come over here and click open the answer sheet for map skills. So when you click it, it opens up your answer sheet. I have numbered these for you, so you're going to please type your answers in the document for the map skills worksheet on 1019. You will need to have both tabs open, so zoom in on this one, read the first question. The symbol that tells you direction on a map is called a what? I already gave you this answer. Then you type it here in number 1. Then you go look at number 2, the place on a map that tells you what different symbols on a map mean is called. And you'll type that in number 2. You guys have to learn to read a map. Maps are going to be around for a long time when you get older and you're driving and you don't know where your best friend lives and you plug it into Google Maps. Sure, Siri or whoever your phone person is will tell you where to go, but you should probably be able to read a map. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Again, I cannot stress this. You cannot type on this. Don't try to open it. Don't try to open it in Google Docs. It's not going to work because it is a picture. Okay? This you can open with Google Docs if you need to. That's up at the top. Open with Google Docs. But if you click on it from the assignment, right here, it'll open up as this, okay? So please pay attention to what you're doing and the instructions, okay? All right, toodles.